Dandruff is a common scalp condition that causes flaking and itching. Here are some tips to help you get rid of dandruff. Use an anti-dandruff shampoo. Look for shampoos that contain ingredients such as salicylic acid, coal tar, or zinc pyrithione. These ingredients help to exfoliate the scalp and control the growth of the yeast that causes dandruff. Massage your scalp. Use your fingertips to massage your scalp gently while shampooing. This will help to loosen flakes and increase blood flow to the scalp. Rinse well. Rinse your hair thoroughly after shampooing to remove all traces of the shampoo and any loose flakes. Avoid using hot water. Hot water can strip the scalp of its natural oils, leading to dryness and flakiness. Use lukewarm water instead. Try natural remedies. Some people find that natural remedies such as tea tree oil, coconut oil, or apple cider vinegar can help to relieve dandruff. However, it's important to note that there is limited scientific evidence to support these remedies. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. A healthy diet and lifestyle can help to prevent dandruff. Make sure to eat a balanced diet, get enough sleep, and manage stress levels. If you have severe dandruff or your symptoms persist despite home remedies, it's a good idea to see a dermatologist for further evaluation and treatment.